Hey guys, we have been seeing a lot of leaks about the Redmi K30 for a long time now. Redmi had already confirmed the Redmi K30 long ago, but now for the last few days, Redmi is leaking a lot of features of this upcoming smartphone. First of all, we got to see only a few renders of Redmi K30. From these renders, we came to know about the design of Redmi K30, but now we have got a hands-on video as well as the box of Redmi K30. Apart from this, its many specs and features have also been confirmed. So let's talk about the specs of Redmi K30. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to Redmi K30. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. For this video, we are keeping our like aim to 50 likes. I know you guys can complete it faster than the speed of light, so just do it. On the Chinese social media platform Weibo, we have seen live images of Redmi K30 as well as a hands-on video. So here the Redmi K30 is in cherry pink color, which we saw earlier in the official teasers too. Here we can see both the backside and front side of the phone. On the front, we'll get a 6.67 inches Full HD Plus display panel. It will be an LCD panel. There will not be any notch here because there will be a pill-shaped cutout. You can see this cutout in the top right corner of the display. It looks exactly like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Apart from this, the bezels are also very small. This pill-shaped cutout will house a dual front camera setup which will have one main sensor and the other sensor can be a depth sensor or a wide angle sensor. Now as we are already talking about the cameras, let's talk about the rear cameras too. So we are going to see a quad rear camera setup which will be a much bigger upgrade from Redmi K20's triple camera setup. Here the main sensor will be a 64 megapixel Sony IMX 686 sensor. This sensor is different from the Samsung Isocell sensor that we get in current 64 megapixel camera smartphones. So it will be very interesting to see which of these two 64 megapixel sensor is the best. If I talk about rest of the camera setup, it will be something like this. 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Apart from this, we'll get a 120Hz refresh rate display in the Redmi K30, which is very amazing news. It is being told that we'll get a side mounted fingerprint scanner which will be embedded in the power button. We will get 5G connectivity in Redmi K30. The processor that will power the device will be Snapdragon 765G, which is a 5G enabled processor, and the 4G variant of Redmi K30 will have Snapdragon 730G processor in it. Here we will also get a 3.5mm headphone jack which will be at the bottom of the phone. There will be a 4500 mAh battery which will support 30 watt fast charging. This 30 watt fast charging technology will be slightly different and improved from regular 30 watt fast charging technology. Apart from this, the company has also confirmed that we will get dual band GPS support in Redmi K30. The box of Redmi K30 has also been leaked which will come in white color. So the Redmi K30 is going to be launched in China on December 10th. But before its launch, almost all the things about the phone are already confirmed, which I have already told you. One thing that is not confirmed yet is the price, and that too will know with the launch of the phone on December 10th. I think Redmi K30 will launch in the price range of 20,000 to 25,000 Indian rupees or around $300 US. But if it launches in the price less than this, then it will be even better. With that, we are at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.